Hello, let me show you how we can fix this issue when you cannot connect Huawei FreeBuds SE 3 to your phone, or for example, when they keep disconnecting from your phone. So first of all, I will highly recommend you to switch off Bluetooth on your phone. There we go. Now, just be sure that you charge this charging case and the both earbuds is inside when the case is closed for around 5 minutes. Yeah, you can just do this for 5 minutes. And then you have to be sure to open this case with both earbuds inside and perform a hard reset by using this small button. So now I will try to focus on the button. You have to click and hold this button. And right now, when you just take a look on it, first of all, this indicator will start blinking white quickly. But after holding this button for around 7 or 8 seconds, it will turn red. And then it will turn white one more time. And what you have to do right now, basically just switch on Bluetooth back on your phone or any other device, click to pair new device and select Huawei FreeBuds SE 3 from the list. Now accept pairing and we will be connected. Tell me right now if it works, but if you still have some kind of the issue, I can recommend you to go into the settings of your phone, to the main settings, and try to input this phrase, reset. And you have to find something like this to reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So basically try to reset the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and then try to connect them one more time. Please leave a like and subscribe.